Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know by the title and thumbnail what the video is gonna be about. So I'll quickly fresh up and then let you know guys why I've decided the number 111, because there is an interesting fact behind it.
And now we are back on our regular place. Can you find out any difference in what you see? Let me tell you guys that till now all the videos were shot on this phone. It's Poco F1. Just a quick fact that this phone has got Snapdragon 845 and no other phone in less than 20 has got it. PUBG by you can play excellent on this phone. So that's about it, and from now I've decided to shoot on my camera. I'll just show you. So today's video is going to be a self-challenge video in which I'll have to have my whole day's food, which includes my breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, only at 111 rupees. You guys might have think why I'm choosing the number 111. Why not the round figures such as 100, 200? Why only 111? And there's a very interesting reason behind the number 111, which I've known recently. And the reason is the highly intellectual intelligence which comes with the manufacture of various processes and the behavior of various statistics, the development of the stock market which comes with the result of various multinational companies, and the music. So that's the reason I have chosen the number 111. I hope you guys understood. This is the amount of money which I'll be using for my breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Oh, it's incomplete. Yeah, now it's complete. Okay, I'm done with shopping and I'll show you what I bought. Firstly, I had always in mind to buy bread. I thought of buying bread because it would be a very good investment, because I got so many slices of bread which I can eat all day. Okay, I bought an egg for 5 rupees. So my breakfast is sorted, so I can have bread omelette. Okay, my next item is a very good investment because it's in a scheme of buy one get two, because I bought a cauliflower for 10 rupees and I got a single tomato and onion for free. Every one of you know that Maggi is a real time savior, so I bought a Maggi packet for 12 rupees. Okay, my next item is a major investment. It's butter. Okay, butter costed 48 rupees, but I've gone with butter because, as you know, I thought of making bread omelette for my breakfast. If I have butter, then it would be better. And same goes with my dinner. Since I have cabbage, tomato and an onion, I can make sandwich if I have butter. Then my dinner would be better. So the main food is done now. Now comes the sides. I bought buttermilk for 6 rupees and some chocolates worth 9 rupees. The reason for buying chocolates is I have a problem. It's mandatory for me to have any sort of sweet after my lunch and dinner, or else I go crazy. So I bought these few chocolates which will help me. Okay, first I'll be breaking it and adding spices. Okay, now I'll be using my major investment. It's butter. So now I'll be toasting bread on pan and add butter to it. Okay, my breakfast is ready. It's bread omelette. I know it doesn't look good, but I have to eat it. एकदम बकवास. Okay, the video is about food challenge and rest of the day I'll be free. So I thought of talking about the 59 apps which are banned by the Indian government. One of the major app, as you know, is TikTok. They have banned the app due to national security issues, which is completely understandable. Basically, I'm not against TikTok and neither towards it. But I think people should stop protesting against the Indian government saying they want TikTok back. Because if there is any other reason, we can think about it. But if the reason is about our national security, then we should get going with their decision. We know many people are making livelihood on TikTok. Basically, there is no income from TikTok, but they are collaborating with brands and then gaining money. But now I know it's a tough time for them, but they can figure out some other work with brands on the other platforms so they can make up their livelihood. Also, there are a total of 59 apps which are banned, and out of the 59 I hardly use 4 to 5 apps. So I'll tell you for every app an alternative which you can use. I know each and every one of us use ShareIt a lot to share videos, movies, photos, etc. For it, there is an Indian based app, it's called ShareAll, and there is another app called CamScanner. I know every official, every student uses it. So it's lunchtime now, the time is 12:48. So I'm thinking to have Maggi as my lunch. So I'll be preparing Maggi and telling you for some few tips so that you can prepare a better version of Maggi. It doesn't matter if you take a little bit extra water inside the bowl. I hope you guys can see I have taken a little extra water, but you know that Maggi is made up of maida and it needs a little more boiling. So it's better you boil with much more water. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं इस एक्स्ट्रा वाटर का क्या करूंगा. So I'll tell you the tip what I'll do with that extra water. Okay, now I'm done with the preparation of my Maggi. So I don't know how I sustained till lunch because I had only 2 bread omelets and it's been very difficult for me. Okay, I had my lunch. It's 1:30 now. Till now it's been okay because I woke up late. I had my breakfast late, so till lunch it's not a really big deal. But I don't even have snacks and I have to wait till dinner. And it's 1:30 now, so approximately I'll have my dinner early today by 8. And after eating a chutku Maggi packet, I have to wait for more than 6.5 hours, which is very difficult for me. In between I'll play PUBG, I'll have to work out a little bit, so let's see how it goes. So it's currently 4:30 and I had my haircut just now. I thought of sleeping but I couldn't due to hunger. So basically now my plan is to pass time till 7 o'clock and then start preparing my dinner because I want to have it by 7:30 or else I'll go crazy due to hunger. And there are already so many kinds of sounds coming out of my stomach. And also to resist my hunger, now I'm gonna have my buttermilk. Okay, one quick informative tip. Let it be buttermilk, milk, curd or any sort of item which are packed inside plastic. In general, what people do is cut this piece of plastic right here like this, which forms a triangle. It becomes a small triangle which cannot be recycled, and the percentage of this small triangle entering into oceans and being consumed by aquatic animals is more than 60%. And that's the reason why we can see the rate of cancer patients are increasing, because first fishes consume this plastic and then we consume them. Fishes. So the way to cut such kind of packets, cut it in such a way that it doesn't get separated. So you can cut them in the horizontal way like this. And now you can pour this inside a glass, and in this manner the whole packet can be recycled. That was so good because I'm really hungry, and now my plan is to work out because I've started working out very recently and don't want to miss any day. So what I'll do is I'll just work out a little bit. Okay, that's pretty much of my today's workout because there is no energy left in my body and अब तो जो कुछ भी था अभी वो भी नहीं है. So I'll go to my room, watch some series till 7 o'clock and then meet you guys with my dinner. It's 8 o'clock and I'm dropping the challenge. I'm dropping because I'm very hungry and my dinner was worst. अभी ये सब एक साइड में रख देंगे तो. Another reason why I'm dropping is there's paneer bhurji with roti in my house and I'm not able to be stable because the smell is so tempting and paneer and pulka are right here. So I'll have them now and we'll do this challenge some other time. We'll increase the amount to 500 or 1000 something and then I'll do this challenge next time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.